Create a 3 minutes video for YouTube about luxury concierge service. Is the right for you? Companies that manage financial affairs fall into several categories depending on the services they offer. Here's a breakdown of the main types. Wealth management firms. These firms manage the financial lives of individuals, families, or businesses, including investments, taxes, estate planning, and retirement. Examples: Morgan Stanley, UBS, JP Morgan. Private bank: Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Investments, Vanguard. Limited personalized services. 2. Financial advisory, planning firms. These companies help individuals plan for retirement, save for goals, reduce debt, etc. Examples: Edward Jones, Ameriprise. Financial Facet: Wealth Personal Capital, Now Empower. Garrett Planning Network, fee-only planners. 3. Family offices. These are private firms that manage the financial affairs of ultra-high net worth families, offering personalized investment, estate, tax, and philanthropic services. Examples: Bessemer Trust, Rockefeller Capital Management, Northern Trust Family Office. 4. Certified public accountants, CPAs, and accounting firms. They focus on tax planning, accounting, and some financial consulting. Examples: Deloitte, PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst & Young, EY, KPMG, local regional CPA firms. Robo-advisors, digital financial management, automated platforms that manage investments and finances using algorithms. Ideal for lower-cost, hands-off investment management. Examples: Betterment Wealthfront, Ellevest, SoFi Invest, corporate financial management services. For businesses looking for outsourced CFO services, bookkeeping, payroll, and financial strategy. Examples: Pilot, Bench, Scale Factor, Defunct, Others Exist, Birkeland Associates, and TopTal. Want help choosing the right type? Let me know your situation: individual, family, business, net worth, or goals. And I can recommend a type of firm or specific provider. What companies manage entire administrative affairs for a person? Companies that manage entire administrative affairs for a person typically fall under the category of lifestyle management, family office services, or concierge services. These firms often provide end-to-end support covering financial, legal, household, travel, medical, and personal administration, especially for high net worth individuals, celebrities, executives, or the elderly. Multi-family offices and private family offices offer comprehensive life administration, including bill payments, tax prep, estate and trust management, and household staff hiring and payroll. Legal, insurance and real estate oversight, document organization, scheduling, and travel. Private security, healthcare coordination. Examples: Bessemer Trust, Rockefeller Capital Management, Glen Mead, We Family Offices, Crescent Capital, Abbott Downing, Wells Fargo Legacy. Ideal for ultra-high net worth individuals, typically $10M plus in assets. 2. Lifestyle management and personal concierge companies. These companies provide non-financial personal admin services, often including travel booking, event planning, personal shopping, errands, reservations, household management, calendar management, liaising with lawyers, doctors, accountants. Examples: Quintessentially, John Paul Group, Luxury Attaché, One Concierge, Pure Entertainment Group, Time, etc. for virtual assistants. Ideal for busy professionals, celebrities, or executives. 3. Daily money managers, DMMs, and elder concierge services handle everyday financial and life tasks for seniors, disabled persons, or busy individuals. Pay bills, organize records, schedule appointments, manage insurance claims, liaise with accountants and attorneys. Examples: American Association of Daily Money Managers, AADMM, Directory of Certified Professionals, Care.com Concierge Services, Lifespan Concierge, local providers in wealthier urban areas. 4. Virtual executive assistant companies, tech-enabled firms that offer remote administrative help for both personal and professional needs. Examples: Belay Time, etc., Zirtual Boldly Magic, AI plus human hybrid. Want full-service life management? You're looking for either a multi-family office if you have complex finances, a premium concierge firm if you want household/admin/travel support, a virtual or in-person assistant for basic admin tasks. Want a recommendation? Let me know. Your needs. For example, financial plus household, elderly parent, executive life. Your budget or net worth, general range is fine. Whether you prefer virtual or in-person/local support, I can point you to the best type of firm or service. Sure. Here's a list of companies that manage entire administrative affairs for individuals, divided by service type: Multifamily offices, full life and wealth management. These firms handle everything: financial, legal, personal, household, and lifestyle admin, typically for high net worth clients. Company services, Bessemer Trust Investment, estate tax, personal admin, family governance, Rockefeller Capital Management, full spectrum life and wealth management, Glen Mead, wealth and lifestyle administration, Crescent Capital Family Office, financial and lifestyle services, We Family Offices, personal CFO, admin management, vendor coordination, Northern Trust, private client group family office, concierge, document and financial admin, luxury lifestyle and concierge services. Focus on non-financial personal administration, travel, scheduling, staff management, etc. Company services, quintessentially lifestyle concierge, travel, event planning, 24/7 support. John Paul Group White Glove Concierge for individuals and corporations. Luxury attaché, personal admin, travel, real estate, staffing. One Concierge Global Personal Concierge, lifestyle and asset management. Pure Entertainment Group, concierge plus private lifestyle management.